We've been learning about plants. This is what we've been up to. Hope you enjoy our assembly. Today we're going to be planting a sunflower. This is the instructions on how to do it. First we're going to need a few things. We need a pot. We need soil. Hi, I'm soil. We need a seed. Hi, I'm seed. We need water. I'm not the pot. And we need sunlight. Hello, Ethan. First, you're going to put soil in your pot. Next, put water into the pot. After that, put a sunflower seed into the pot. Then put some more soil onto the seed. Finally, put some more water onto the soil. Top tip, if you want your sunflower to grow big and strong, then you can keep it in a sunny place and keep it a little bit wet. If you look after your sunflower really well, it'll grow into a nice big sunflower. Take a look at one of the sunflowers that we've grown in Beauty Free.
Thank you for teaching us how to plant our own sunflowers. Can you tell us how you grow them?
To find out what plants need, we made our own experiment.
Well, Grace, how did your crescent experiment go?
It went very good. It had lots of water, lots of sun, and it grew into cress.
So, Emily, how did your experiment go?
It didn't go well because it didn't have any sun. It did have water, but the glass was too hot, so it made it dry.
So we started a new one and it's going well. So Mason, how did your experiment go?
Good, but it started to germinate, but then there was too much water and not enough sunlight, so it stopped germinating, then it went all smelly.
Well, Zoe, how did your cress experiment go?
It went really well because it had lots of sun and lots of water, and it grew into green cress.
So Jacob, how did your experiment go?
It went bad because the radiant made it dry up and we didn't have enough water.
So James then, how did your experiment go?
It went bad because it had no sun and no water and it didn't germinate.
So Neve, how did your experiment go?
It didn't go well because it had sun but it didn't have any water, so it didn't grow.
Well, TJ, how did your experiment go?
It didn't go well because it was frozen and had no sun.
Well, James Granny, how did your experiment go?
Very good, and it growed, and we had water and shade, but it went all flat.
For plants to grow, they need lots of sun, but not too much water.
Wow, what a great experiment. Some of that cress looks delicious. Wonder what happens when plants grow old.
Thank you, Mrs. Mason. This is a life cycle of a sunflower.
Seed.
Seed.
It starts to germinate.
It starts to germinate.
It sprouts.
It sprouts.
The stem gets bigger.
The stem gets bigger.
Beautiful flower grows.
A beautiful flower grows.
The flower dies.
The flower dies.
And drops seeds.
And drops seeds.
And then the cycle begins again.
The cycle begins again.
I hope you liked our assembly.
A tiny seed was sleeping underneath the ground. A tiny seed was sleeping underneath the ground. And the rain came, drip, drop, and the sun shone down. A little shoot came peeping out of the sea. A little shoot came peeping out of the sea. And the rain came, drip, drop, and the sun shone down. It grew up into leaves of green, swaying in the breeze. It grew up into leaves of green, swaying in the breeze. And the rain came, drop, and the sun shone down. I